Let's get straight into the idea of early to bed. So in bed and asleep by 10 p.m. Now, I know that that is not easy for a lot of people. It can be really, really challenging because there is a lot of stuff going on at night. Pretty much the two biggest challenges that I find people come across is this idea of just crashing on the couch in the evenings and then catching one series after the next, after the next, after the next. And before you know it, it's 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night. And then you're so wired, you can't fall asleep, or you're so exhausted that you kind of like just roll into bed, but you have not a very comfortable, easeful sleep. And the other option is, which is very, very legitimate, is that sometimes we just have to get work done and we need to be up and we need to be in front of our screens, or sometimes we get caught doom scrolling on our phones in the evening. All of that can impact how we sleep and if we manage to get to sleep early enough. So for me, I must say, I have been super, super lucky. This has never really been a challenge for me because I've always managed to get to bed early. By 9 p.m., I am pretty much lights out. I am exhausted. I am tired. I'm done for the day. And I love to get into bed early and get to sleep. So luckily for me, I haven't had this challenge. I hope you are more like me than the rest of the world. But if you do struggle, pretty much my suggestions for you are two. One, just start bringing your bedtime back a little. So if you're going to bed, say 11 o'clock, start going to bed at 10:45. Then the next week or the next month, once that is easy, bring it down to 10:30 until you eventually get yourself to bed by 10 o'clock. And the other option is if you are going to be catching yourself watching some TV, or you are going to be having to do a little bit of work on the TV, is grab hold of some blue light filter glasses, pop those on, and it's really going to help you not get so exhausted with kind of like eye fatigue and things like that in the evening, and it will help you really get to sleep a lot more easily. So grab yourself a pair of those blue light filter glasses, try and bring your bedtime earlier. And then when you slowly start to automate this habit, it really makes the next habit, starting the day right, so much easier. So if you're keen to find out how I start my day right, catch me in the next video and I'll see you there.